Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is a video in which I'm showing you the Kivy YouTube tutorials. Well, basically that's a Kivy MD tutorials. So uh, let's not talk about this further. Basically, if you are new to Kivy, then you must learn, then you must see what the Kivy is and what things Kivy can do, as well as Kivy MD2. So I'll be providing a link in the description to you can read the docs if you want that for Kivy MD. So let's just dive into the video. And as I said, if you're new to Kivy or Kivy MD, then you must install these things first of all. So you for this you must first open your terminal, and the terminal will be open up like this. So you must be familiar with PyCharm and Python languages. I suppose you to be, because you must. And if you're not, then you should learn first that too. Well, let's start. So by installing, by writing the command, that's pip install Kivy. And as I have installed it before this video, so uh, this will say me requirement already satisfied, etc. etc. Okay, so you will write the simple command and there will be no errors in the process of installing this. So the next thing I will be doing is pip install Kivy MD. Kivy MD is a material design module created for Python Kivy, basically. It's for Kivy. So this also requirement already satisfied as I have installed it. So boom. Now let's start off with the basic code that you must you must do the checking of the importing apps. Sorry, importing modules. This is the basic thing that you need to perform, and this is just a basic app made using the Kivy MD. So basically, what is the structure is that we will first import the app or from Kivy if you're using Kivy, as I'm using Kivy MD, so I will be importing MD app. Okay, so and I'm using Kivy MD, so I will import everything or most of the things from Kivy MD, not from Kivy, but I can also do it from Kivy too. So let's not confuse you. So let's just start this writing the code, and that's screen is equal to MD screen. Well, I've not imported it, so I need to import this first. And for that, you don't need to go on the lines one or two. You just can press Alt Enter and just click on the first option, that import Kivy MDUI screen MD screen, and boom, it will be imported directly. You don't need to go there, write code, and you also don't need to find these things. That was when I started, I was facing a lot of problem because I didn't know this command Alt Enter. So you need to know. Okay, so what I'll do now is when we need to have something on screen, we just add a widget. We just create a widget and add it to the screen, like this one, screen.add widget. So screen.add widget, and I want to add a button. That's basically the rectangle flat button as I've imported it. So let's write it as MD rectangle flat button, and let sorry text will be, as we write first thing when we learn programming, that's hello world, and that's a basic thing we do as a code. So that's hello world. Okay, and let's give it a position hint. That will be something like in the curly braces. So center x will be 0.5 and center y will be again 0.5. Now I will be returning the screen. Okay, so let's run this. You can also press function. If you're using Windows, then Alt F, I think Shift F10 it is. Let's see, Shift F10. So I need to Alt function Shift F10. Run. Okay, it might work. Boom, it worked. So hello world, it worked. Yeah. Okay. So this is a rectangle flat button, as you can see. So this is the basic thing we can do. We can do many things with Kivy and KVMD as well. So as this was the first video, and I will be covering more of them in the upcoming videos. The widgets, the things we can do with Kivy as well, and KVMD basically. So let's try one more thing, that's for the theming. So that's self dot. As you must be familiar with some things, that's self dot is self. That's the main method that's defined in the class main app. Okay, so in the build method, we define self dot theme class, the primary palette. Primary palette is something you can say main color of the app, and the primary palette suggests that the widgets you create in the app will be colored as primary palette. So let's do this primary palette. Let's keep it purple. Well, if you want to see how much color variants or color objects there are present in Kivy and the primary palette, then you can just give it an error. Just like I want violet. Well, violet is not defined color in this primary palette. So let's try. So as theme manager, primary palette is set to an invalid option because, as I said, violet is not an invalid attribute or valid option over here. So it shows you must be one of red, pink, purple, deep purple, indigo blue. Let's just copy this. Okay, and come on. Just copying it and just paste it over here. Come. Okay, so we can do anything here as well. Okay, so you can see these are the colors we can have. So let's just do it red. Mhm. So the button, the rectangle flat button we created has just converted its color into red. That's the theme. That's the basic use of theme manager. We can say that this theme class is an attribute of theme manager. So it converted or it changed its color from light blue to red. and we can provide it many other as well. That's good. Pink. Okay, maybe pink too. You can see maybe any color over here. So this was the basic use of theme class primary palette and basic basic application. You can see it's the shortest, I think. No, it's not the shortest one because you can provide it a label over here in the shortest one. Well, I suppose it's done. So that's all, guys, for this video, and stay tuned for my next videos. And by stay tuned, I mean like this video if you like it, and share this, and comment if you have any doubts regarding anything. And last but not the least, subscribe the channel. So uh, let's end this video now. The last time, let's run this. Yay, boom, hello world. Okay, bye bye.